Bea, you want to come on your bed?
How much is I supposed to feed her?
Huh?
Look at her, she's eating like crazy.
No. Let him be. He wants to see.
Darlene, give her some space so she can walk.
Well, Angel, why don't you get her a bowl of water? Some water.
Bruno's like, shit, I'm gonna get some.
Listen,
It's got all the inside, you know, the nice truck inside, you know, got the sunroof, electric, everything. The same as the other one, 2001. Only got 150.
No, put it.
Water?
Just give her in a bowl.
here, Bea.
No, it's too big for her to get in a regular
Come
bowl. The white bowls.
I gave
You
her.
cannot give her like soft food, you know, like the ones that are.
Get me.
Diarrhea
Hold on.
You mind if they put water in that little tiny
Look,
bowl?
look,
The dog can eat some real quick.
Look cómo está.
The little pink one.
Bruno.
Yeah, look.
She's going
A
crazy.
little bit.
I don't know how much I'm supposed to give her though.
No, just dale más.
Hold on, Darlene.
She smells it in my hand. That's why she.
Is she still eating it?
I don't know how much because she swallows it like.
I know, but is it? Well, like for 2 times, they're
That
there.
much. You should have did like half of that. That's full.
Look at their stomach.
It's fine. She
Should I drink all of it?
give her some of that too.
Come here, Bea.
Bruno,
Let's see what else.
Hey, no, it's not yours.
sit down right here.
Mm.
Relax. Relax. You're going back upstairs.
She's drinking it.
Ponle más, hija, en la mano ponte más. One by one is not enough.
I just want to make sure she doesn't choke.
Hey, Bruno, here. Bruno.
No, you told me like,
Here,
hey,
Bruno.
how's your water? Yeah, you were sitting
Sleep,
right
Bruno
next
B.
to
He
it, right
wants to
next
see.
I know, he wants food.
He's trying to eat her food
to it.
too.
She told you-
Yeah.
she asked me about it too,
You want some water, Bea?
She just drinks some water.
Bea! Here, can you hold it and take a video of it?
Oh, it's okay.
Hold it.
No, it's okay.
Hold it.
It's okay.
Where are these muffins?
Try it.
right there.
Bea!
And now you don't say that
Hold on,
today's
give
the
her
last
some
day.
space,
Tomorrow
okay?
they'll be all going away.
Did you eat one?
No.
Is she still eating?
Yeah.
Here, could I feed her? When she's done.
It's good, huh? Huh? Well, eat that over there, man. I don't want to come from here. We just got the carpet clean.